മെഡിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് പോസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് 2010 നടന്ന പരീക്ഷയുടെ സോൾവ്ഡ് പേപ്പറാണ്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ 20 ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. The maximum number of linearly independent rows or columns in a matrix is called. Option A, order of the matrix. Option B, degree of matrix. Option C, rank of matrix. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, rank of matrix. Let A be a matrix if A equal to A square. Then matrix is called option A, symmetric matrix. Option B, orthogonal matrix. Option C, idempotent matrix. Option D, singular matrix. Answer is option C, idempotent matrix. Question number 63. A set of linear equations can be solved if and only if they are option A, consistent. Option B, non-consistent. Option C, may or may not be consistent. Option D, none of these. Answer is option A, consistent. A matrix is said to be non-singular if option A, determinants of the matrix is 0. Option B, determinants of the matrix is non-zero. Option C, determinant of the matrix does not exist. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, determinant of the matrix is non-zero. A function which continues at C is also said to be option A, continuous for 0. Option B, continuous for 1. Option C, continuous for C. Option D, none of these. Answer is option C, continuous for C. The function x square minus 9 by x minus 3 where x not equal to 3 and f of 3 equal to 6, then the function is continuous at option A, 5. Option B is 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option D, 0. The derivative of tan hx is option A, sec hx cosec hx. Option B, minus cosec h square x. Option C, sec h square x. Option D, cot hx cosec hx. Answer is option C, sec h square x. Question number 68. Differential equation consists of one independent variable and its derivatives is called option A, partial differential equation. Option B, ordinary differential equation. Option C, linear differential equation. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, ordinary differential equation. Question number 69. The order of a differential equation is determined by the order of the option A, highest derivative in the equation, option B, highest exponent of the derivative, option C, highest power of the derivatives, option D, none of these. Answer is option A, highest derivative in the equation. The solution of the differential equation x plus y into dx plus x dy equal to 0 is option A, x plus 2xy equal to c, option B, x square plus 2xy equal to c, option C, x square plus xy equal to c, option D, x plus 2x square y equal to c. Answer is option B, x square plus 2xy equal to c. Question number 71. The derivative of the function root cos 2x is option A, negative 1 by 2 root of sin 2x, option B, 1 by sin 2x the whole raised to 3 by 2, option C, sin 2x by root of cos 2x, option D, negative sin 2x divided by root cos 2x. Answer is option D, negative sin 2x divided by root cos 2x. The derivative of log cos hx is option A, tan hx, option B, 1 by sin hx, option C, negative 1 by sin hx, option D, negative tan hx. Answer is option A, tan hx. Question number 73. The differential coefficient of log tan x is option A, 2 sec 2x, option B, 2 cosec 2x, option C, 2 sec square x tan x, option D, 2 sec x cosec x. Correct answer is option B, 2 cosec 2x. If y equal to log mod x, then dy by dx is option A, 1 by mod x, option B, 1 by x, option C, 1 by x square, option D, none of these. Answer option B, 1 by x. If y equal to ax plus b the whole raised to m, then third derivative of y is option A, cube into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus 3, option B, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into a cube into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus 3, option C, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus 3, option D, m into m minus 1 into a square into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus 2. The correct answer is option B, m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into a cube into ax plus b the whole raised to m minus 3. The integration of sine cube x is option A 1 by 12 into sine 3x plus 9 sine x. Option B 1 by 12 into cos 3x minus 9 cos x. Option C 1 by 12 into cos 3x minus 9 sin x. Option D 1 by 12 into sin 3x plus 9 cos x. Answer is option B 1 by 12 into cos 3x minus 9 cos x. Question number 77. When the integral under consideration has an integrand that can take an infinite values, or when the interval is not a finite interval, then it is called option A proper integral, option B improper integral, option C Riemann integral, option D none of these. Answer is option B improper integral. Then capital letter f of x equal to integral a to x f of x dx. Then f of x is called option A definite integral, option B proper integral, option C indefinite integral, option D all of these. Answer is option C indefinite integral. Question number 79. Definite integral is dependent on the option A lower limits of integration only, option B lower and upper limits of integration, option C upper limits of integration only, option D none of these. Answer option B lower and upper limits of integration. The method of successive approximation is also known as option A Regula-Falsi method, option B bisection method, option C Newton-Raphson's method, option D iteration method. Answer option D iteration method.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.